I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is April 5, 2022 Tuesday. We discuss the view on the Nifty for tomorrow and if possible for the next few days. I have been explaining for any number of days now that the market is in an uptrend for two reasons. One, our indicators tell us that the market is in an uptrend and the indicators are new, fast, modern indicators. And the second is, just by looking at the chart, you can say there is an uptrend. We are having a series of higher highs and higher lows. That's what an uptrend is all about. Again, yesterday the theme was that we are in an uptrend and we should be looking for an opportunity to buy. Today, the markets were supposed to open much higher, but actually opened lower than yesterday. That was a sign that today could be a choppy day. Now, so many times the market opens lower and then starts rising and then keeps on going up. That process started today morning also. The market opened lower and then started rising. But at some point, rather quickly, the market faced selling pressure and came down again. When it came down for the second time, that told us that there is nothing in the day today. Either it will be choppy or it will be some kind of a mild downturn, because the market has made an attempt to go up and that attempt has failed. Now, this doesn't mean that the trend has turned down. It's far from it. All it means that today was not a day good enough for trading, because we are trading only on the long side of the market, and that's okay. Now, at what point do we say that something is going wrong in the market? That will be the 2-day low, and the 2-day low is somewhere around 17,800. So, if the Nifty were to go below 17,800, then perhaps the market texture is changing from an uptrend to a consolidation or a sideways market. Till then, till 17,800 is held, we are looking to buy the Nifty on a dip. This time we will not buy on a breakout. We want the Nifty to go into a dip of some kind during the day, and that would be a buying opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. We now will have a look at the chart. Thanks a lot. This is the chart for the Nifty. As we can see, this is a candlestick daily chart for the Nifty. These are white candles, these are black candles. We have again come back to our momentum indicator and the two price bands. Momentum turned up here just in the beginning of March, and up till now, even till today, momentum has been rising. A rising momentum is an indication of an uptrend, so we don't question the uptrend. What happened here was that momentum crossed the upper band also. This tells us there is a strong trend going. Now, we all understand that strong trends will stop at some point of time. Let them. Till then, we are buyers. This is a small black candle. This black candle tells us that the market had a bad day today. So be it. Our stop is here at 17,800. Till 17,800 holds, we are going to be buyers in this market, or till this momentum indicator keeps on going up. If it turns down, of course, we will have question marks again. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great trading day. Jai Hind.